It looks like any other Volkswagen Bug until you consider the size. No, it's not us being too small. It's a Volkswagen Bug that's 40% bigger, all due to this man, Richard Tupper of Gardena, California. Richard, what an unbelievable creation. What was the idea here? What were you trying to do?
I was just trying to make a big Volkswagen, and I have a sheet metal shop, so it wasn't that difficult to do, actually. We got really good equipment at my shop. So.
And so every guy or gal in America is going to be saying, I want one too. You started with a what? What was your chassis on this?
The chassis was a 2010 Dodge Ram pickup truck.
And you even have a cute reference up front to the Ram, little emblems here and there.
I changed the Wolfsburg logo from a wolf to a Ramsburg logo for the Ram. I tell people it was made in Ramsburg. It's the bigger version. It's the Super Beetle.
And this is quite the endeavor. How hard was it to make this car? How many original parts did you have to make?
It's 3,514 different details to make it, but none of them were difficult at all. In fact, it was surprising how well it went back together, because I had a very cherry 59 that I took apart and digitized all the pieces, and they all fit well. So when I made them 40% bigger, it all bolted back up really nicely.
You even have your hand on the mirror right now. Even that was hard to make, right?
Yeah, there's not one Volkswagen part on here.
It's all original.
Yeah, all basically handmade, yeah.
And how long did it take to make?
Actual on the project was 3 years. And I had some help. I have a real good upholsterer. My son, who runs Wicked Concepts, helped with the bodywork and all the welding. And so it was kind of a team effort. It wasn't all me. I don't have the energy for that.
None of us do. It has the Ram engine up front?
Yeah.
You got a Volkswagen engine in back?
Yeah, I built a phony 1200 for the back so it looks proper. It just actually serves as a muffler for the Hemi.
And even a cool pull-down dashboard.
Yeah, it's got a power digital dash because the old Volkswagen only has a speedo and a fuel gauge. That's all you have. So the Hemi requires a lot more serviceability.
So Richard, everybody wants to know, what's it like to drive this around town?
Well, other than the fact that you're being filmed most of the time, you can't pick your nose. I've said this before. It's just like driving a 2010 Dodge Ram truck. You got air conditioning, power steering, disc brakes, cruise control, iPod hookup. You got everything you want, but it looks like a Texas Volkswagen.
I don't know about a Texas Volkswagen, but this car is the star of LA traffic. I'm Chris Woodyard for USA Today in Redondo Beach, California.